Hi everyone, hope you all doing great and making the most of lockdown period by putting it to best of the use.
From wherever you are in the world.
Right, and so here we go with today's list of power proverbs.
Five power proverbs of the day.
Right, so here we go. As explained in previous episodes also, so I will go with the Hindi version of proverbs,
Yeah.
कहावतें, और Laksh will give you the English version, English equivalent of that. Will not, wherever I think I need to explain, वहाँ पे मैं explain कर दूंगा. अदरवाइज कहावतें हैं, बचपन से सुन रहे हैं, शायद उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत नहीं होगी. तो चाहिए होगा हमको सिर्फ उसका इंग्लिश का अनुवाद. So here we go.
And I hope you're okay with it so far.
Yes.
And if you are, continue watching this. So the first one is
Okay. चोला पहनने से कोई साधु नहीं बनता.
cowl doesn't make the monk.
चोला पहनने से कोई साधु नहीं हो जाता.
Cowl doesn't make the monk.
It means we should not bow down to somebody who's just wearing or dressing up like a saint. We should bow down to somebody's skill, somebody's knowledge,
Not
the
with
wisdom,
appearance.
not by the
Appearance.
appearance. That's why cowl doesn't make the mark. So we go for the second one. उधार दोस्ती की कैंची है.
Lend the money, lose the friend.
उधार दोस्ती की कैंची है.
Lend the money, lose the friend.
Exactly, because you will never get both the things back.
I tell you will either get the money or the friend back. You can
Right.
never get both of them back.
Right, so you got to choose. You will
Yeah.
never get minded. Don't lend the money. Lend the money or lose the friend. Right, so here we go for the third one. मुफ्त का माल हमेशा बढ़िया.
I like best the wine another pays for.
Sorry, मुफ्त का माल हमेशा बढ़िया.
I like the wine best that another pays for.
Right, because I need not explain. You know, always we like to say, what do you like the most? Whatever I get for free. So that's the best. So with this, we move to the fourth one. मांगा आम मिली इमली.
Talk of chaff and he thinks of cheese.
मांगा आम मिली इमली.
I talk of chaff and he thinks of cheese.
Right, so it's basically one has got so bad comprehension, one cannot comprehend the signals. Somebody is asking for something and he's getting something else. So now we are moving to the final of the day. बात है ऐसी भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
Who pays the piper calls the tunes. Da-da-da.
बात है ये सच भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
Who pays the piper calls the tunes. Boo-boo-boo.
Right, it means however smart you are, however great you look, end of the day, one
It comes to money.
it comes to money. Who has got the bigger money muscles,
Or
he
who
steals the
has-
show.
Or who has paid the person.
Right, who pays, who sponsors, steals the limelight. So, बात है ये भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया.
Who pays the piper calls the tunes. And
Right.
with this, we end our list of 5 power proverbs of the day.
Right.
I hope you like it. Like, share, and do subscribe. And please, hands join. You should make an appeal to them also.
Yes, please do
Please
subscribe and keep
subscribe.
motivating us. We hope
Yep.
you would have subscribed. If not yet, please do that and do share.
Please click that small subscribe button and we'll be so happy.
Right, it will not cost you anything, but it means a lot for us.
So, bye bye. See
Bye
you
bye.
later.
See you.